Alright, I got my I have my two boiler drains cleaned off here. Turn the power on. It's filling up, but you should always flush these out once a week, maybe once a month. All depends on how dirty the water comes out. So it's got a short hose here. This is a washing machine hose. I just chopped off the one end, put the other end on the boiler drain valve, and just open it up. Just open it up. You just drain it until the water comes out clear. Get all that mud and sludge or rust that's in the pipes. So like I said, it should be clear. You got old pipes and old systems. You get a lot of rust and buildup. So this causes your banging noise. It's being restricted. So alright, it's clear now. We'll shut it off. Do the other one. Do the other side. Oops. Like I say, just do it to the other side. Like I said, do the other side. I'm going to show you the hot water heater. This should do. It's my hot water heater. You should basically do the same thing to this also. Most people don't. So let's put the hose on here. There's a flathead to open this one up. To hose in there and just slowly open it up. Same thing, get all the mud and sludge out. But this water's crystal clear, so you're good to go here. Just shut that back off. It's just simple as that. Just flush out your boiler once a week or once a month, and you won't get that banging noise anymore.